Hi, everybody. My name is Baba Adam. The company is Universal Love Jewelry, and the website is the letter U, lovejewelry.com. Today, we're going to make a copper bracelet. This here is 12 gauge, 12 gauge round, soft copper wire. Here we have a ruler, of course. Let's measure this here to make sure that yep, it's 8.5 inches long. Right, that's the length that we need. 8.5 inches long. We have a snip. We have a fowle. We have round round nose pliers, shears, and a pole to round it off. When you deal with a pole could be anything that's the size that you want that's sitting around the house or things of that nature. Or you can get a bracelet bar that's made for this here, made for bracelets specifically. But in this case, and like most cases, all you need is something round and solid to make bracelet round. So the first thing that we're going to do is, like always, whenever I cut anything, we have these here sharp edges at the end, and I want to file these edges off and make it smooth. After doing that on one end, turn it over, do the exact same thing on the other end. Okay, now that we have our ends smooth, well, I don't think we're going to need to file anymore. So we take our round nose pliers and we grab it right here, like in the center, and you go 1, come back, 2, 3, till it touches and looks like this. See that? Now after doing that, we're going to come back and make that look like this. Actually, what we're making is, those that know about jewelry, we're making an eye pin, a big eye pin. See that? Very good. So now we're going to take our big eye pin and our wire. We're going to grab it here. We're going to go round it off all the way around till it gets about like that. Now we have a circle, right? The circle is too small, so we're going to open the circle up. As soon as we open the circle up, we're going to come and take the front part of it. We're going to grab it about right here and bend it up like that. See that? Now we open it up a little more, straighten it up again. Now, this part here is going to be a little bit tricky, but if you could guesstimate the center of the circle, and when you guesstimate the center of the circle, you're going to bend 1 down, 1 up, until you make something like this. See that? Now, see how fast that was that we made a bracelet? We have a bracelet. And how it hooks in like that. Very nice, very simple. Now I'm going to show you something that's a little, well, kind of advanced, but it's not really advanced. But not many people don't know about it, but I'm going to tell everybody this secret right now. I'm going to take these here pliers, these are snips, right? And these snips actually cut wire, but we're not going to cut it. We have to be very careful. we want to squeeze it down just enough so it'll make a mark like that. See the mark? That's the mark you want to make. Then you want to make another mark just like that. Be careful not to cut it in half. Then you have to start everything all over again. 1, 2, 3. See? Now you have a design. Turn it over. And do the exact same thing again. 1, 2, 3. That's just one design. Now, if I wanted to get tricky with it, I put more designs in it, I'll go here. 1, 2, 3. I could put another design right here if I wanted. 1, 2, 3. See that? And I could put as many designs on this here bracelet as I would like, as I want. So you straighten it up, open it up, put your wrist in, hook it closed. Let me see. I don't have a big wrist, but I don't have a small. Yeah, this here almost fits me. Almost. Very nice. This here bracelet would be about a 6.5, a 6.5, or a 7. And if you wanted to make one for yourself and you wanted a bracelet to be bigger, then instead of making the wire 8.5 inches, you could make it 9. And if you wanted it smaller, you could make it 8 instead of 8.5, and on. And you could test it. Now I just want to put one more design in this here because I would like it more like this. If I put one more design, 1, 2, 3. Now, see, I feel so much better now because all of the lines kind of match up. So that's it. Now, is that nice or is that nice? Very nice. 100% copper, handmade, and probably one of a kind. So, with that, I'll say the website is the letter U, lovejewelry.com. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.